Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Aid. There is a link in the description. If you go through it, you find this interface. Just click on go to class and here is the Coursera platform. When you go through that site, you get here this course for free. There is a banner. When this banner appears, after that you have to register for this course. I have already registered. There is no charges for this course, and here it is 100% online course and it is 19 hours course, but we do this course in just 1 hours. And how we do this course, I'm just going to start. Just tap on go to course and here is build your first Android app project centered course. As you know, Coursera courses are very important for you because they make your resume more effective, more interactive rather than other courses certificates, because these certificates are from top universities and also from top companies like Google and Amazon. And here I am going to start final quiz. You directly reach at this position and after that just click on final quiz. Here total 30 minutes quiz is here and just tap on it. Here I am going to start my final quiz. This is the interface and now I am going to start. Total 15 questions are there and this is the first question. If you follow me, you surely get 100%. There are no change in the sequence of questions, but there are shuffling in the options. So take care about it when you are attempting this quiz. And this is the final quiz of 15 questions. All questions are optional. There is one question where one or more options are correct, so there is two more questions where you have to fill in the blanks type, where you have to fill the answers, just like the fifth or a sixth question I'm going to show you. This is the fourth question. It is some very difficult. If you go through all the options, you find fourth is correct. And here is the fifth question. You just take care about that first letter is of layout is in small, not a uppercase letter. Here I written in uppercase and now I'm going to change it. Then this is a correct form. You also take care about it. After that, one more place you have to do the fill in the blanks type question, so take care at that time also. And here there are only 8 questions remaining, so stay tuned. After rectifying the one question, and I am going to submit it. Here it is submitting and I got 100%. There is a you also get full out of full marks, that is 15 out of 15 your correct answers. Here you can see on the screen that my all answers are correct. And after that we go through the course. Just tap on back button and here is our course. And after the final quiz there is a peer graded assessment. Here you doesn't get your certificate instantly after completing this course. There is a peer graded assessments. You can download your certificate after 2 or 3 days, because the assessments you submit here is corrected by others who attempting this course, means peer who also comes for the learning. This is the assignment, so you have to do from your own. This is very easy. You have to only upload a code for Android app. You just download it from Google and upload it.